The Lakers taking on the Thunder. And Westbrook, he had 36 points tonight. Brook Lopez had 20 for the Lakers. He goes by 3 Lakers defenders. Throws down the slam. Transition, he's going to do it again. This time he's going to lay it up and in, show a little bit of mercy. He's being extremely aggressive, attacking from start to finish. Another coast to coast. First half was mostly Thunder. Second half, Paul George, he had 26 points tonight. He gets the rebound. He's going to hand it off to Westbrook. That's a mean slam. Julius Randle didn't even jump. He knew what time it was. Caldwell Pope bounce pass to Lopez, who's going to throw down the poster over Paul George. And then Lopez in the corner skips the pass right on the money. Splash. Clarkson gets it going. Lakers have the lead going into the fourth quarter. It's only a 5-point lead, though. Anybody's game, a steal. Westbrook, once again, the speed and the vicious throwdown. He's been very mad lately. You can tell he's tired of losing. Ingram in the corner. The Lakers refuse to go away. Ingram gets all the way to the basket and one. Paul George can't believe it. Melo gets rejected by Ingram. Touchdown pass. Julius Randle. The Lakers look like they're running away with this game with under a minute to play. Clarkson turns it over, though. Paul George going to get a free slam. Still plenty of time, but you got to make your move. You got to make every possession count. The big splash from Paul George. It's only a 3-point game. 23 seconds remaining. Inbounded to Clarkson. He gets double teamed. And then the ball goes out of bounds. It's going back to the Thunder. Refs are saying that it went off of Clarkson, so they're going to have to take a look at the replay. Looks like it goes off of Steven Adams' shoe. I don't know if it touched the Laker. But anyway, it's a 4-point game now. Paul George wasting time, gives it back to Westbrook. Deep splash. It's off. And the Lakers are going to defeat the Thunder. He must be terrified of these hands. Oh! Are you serious? No. Oh, he's down already. I got a knockdown. Can I knock him down in a minute? Oh, the uppercut as he goes for the takedown. These new kicks are too smooth. What a chin he has. No, I will not let you grab.